Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys exactly how I create my wigs. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's get straight into the video. Alright babes, now to get started we are going to get into the closure placement. So ladies, what you want to do is place your closure a little bit over the wig cap, and that just kind of helps with laying it flat. I don't really know how to explain it, but you guys will see it in the next video. So babes, what you want to do is pin the back of the closure just like that, and I do that just to kind of hold the closure in place while I sew. So what you want to do is sew from the middle to the outside, and that just kind of helps give you that that flat look all the way around instead of possibly having some little bumps or lumps in it. Alright now love, so as you can see the closure is very flat on that side, and you guys can see exactly what I meant by I went from one half and now I'm going to finish the other half of the closure. So if I sew just like I did, then the closure should be flat and secure and I should have absolutely no problems. Alright love, so let's get straight into track placement. So right about now you guys will see that I am doubling my wefts, and also I do use the flip over method. So I double my wefts just because it gives me the fullest look, which I absolutely love. I love full hair, so that is exactly what I am doing right now. And you guys will see me continue to sew until I get about halfway done, and then I'll come back. Now babes, I do want to say that it definitely does help to have pins, especially when doing the flip over method. Now some people, they like to use T-pins, but personally I hate how the hair gets caught onto it, so I just use regular sewing pins, which you can find at your nearest like Walmart, Joann's, fabric store, whatever. Alright babe, so as you can see I'm about halfway done and everything is looking good and is very secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep sewing, and when I get to the top I'll be back. Alright babe, so one thing I do want to point out is that some people do actually sew up under the closure, but what I'm doing today is actually just sewing right behind it because this is a different kind of cap that I'm using, so yeah. So babes, now that little empty space that you guys are seeing, I'm going to take that extra hair and I'm just going to sew it down. So this is still the Lanqi hair, I just cut it, and yeah. So one thing I forgot to say is about a little over halfway, more so once I got towards the top, I did stop double wefting. So I did that just because at the top I wanted to have the flattest look possible. I'm going to take one more track to fill that in. So ladies, when you are all done, go ahead and grab your scissors and cut off the excess cap from up under the closure. So after that, you guys will be seeing the final look. Now we are actually all done with the construction of the wig. The closure is secure, the tracks are secure, and it's overall amazing. So loves, if you guys want to see the actual install video, stay tuned. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.